Welcome to this video, where we dive deep into the equation that leads to financial freedom. Passive income should be larger than expenses. If you're here, you're probably looking to gain financial independence, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or perhaps retire early. We are releasing a series of videos on this topic to help you completely understand it, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep watching the next videos as well. Today, we'll explore how you can achieve financial freedom by building multiple streams of passive income that consistently outpace your expenses. Financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and most importantly, passive income sources. Financial freedom means having enough money to cover your living expenses without relying on active income, such as a full-time job. It allows you to live life on your own terms, whether that's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying more free time with your family. The key is building a sustainable financial system where your passive income exceeds your expenses. Passive income is money that you earn without having to be actively involved day to day. It's different from active income, where you trade time for money. With passive income, once the system is in place, it requires minimal effort to maintain. Examples include dividends from stocks, rental income, royalties from books or online content, and income from automated businesses. The beauty of passive income is that it works for you 24/7, even when you're sleeping. Now, let's break down the equation for financial freedom. Passive income larger than expenses. Passive income. This refers to any income that you earn with little to no ongoing effort. Think of it as money that flows in even when you're not working. Expenses. Your monthly or yearly costs of living. These include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and discretionary spending like entertainment or dining out. To achieve financial freedom, your passive income streams need to be larger than your expenses. When this happens, you no longer need to trade your time for money. Instead, your investments and passive income sources sustain your lifestyle. Building passive income streams is essential for anyone aiming for financial independence. Here's why. Leverage time. Passive income frees up your time. Instead of working 40+ hours a week, your money works for you, allowing you to focus on other interests. Risk mitigation. Relying solely on active income is risky. Job markets can fluctuate, companies can downsize, and economies can collapse. Passive income provides a safety net. Scaling potential. Passive income streams like online businesses or investments can be scaled, meaning you can increase your earnings without increasing your work hours. There are many ways to generate passive income, and it's important to diversify your streams for financial security. Let's go over some of the most common types of passive income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a popular method to earn passive income. Dividends are portions of a company's profit that are distributed to shareholders. You can receive these payouts regularly, creating a consistent stream of income. Owning rental properties is another excellent way to generate passive income. As long as you have tenants, you'll receive rent payments. Moreover, real estate tends to appreciate over time, offering capital gains in addition to rental income. In peer-to-peer lending, you lend money to individuals or businesses through an online platform. In return, you receive interest payments, which can offer attractive returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Once you grow an audience, a YouTube channel or blog can become a major source of passive income. Through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, you can generate income long after your content is created. Selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or software is an excellent way to create passive income. You only need to create the product once, and you can sell it multiple times without much additional effort. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Once you set up a system, like a blog or social media channel, you can earn passive income with minimal effort. Automation tools and outsourcing make it possible to run an online business with minimal daily involvement. Whether it's dropshipping, e-commerce, or digital marketing, the right setup can generate passive income without requiring much of your time. Financial freedom isn't just about increasing passive income. It's also about managing and reducing your expenses. Here are a few tips to help you lower your cost of living. The first step to reducing expenses is to understand where your money is going. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses so you can identify areas where you can cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce energy usage, and shop smarter. Often, we're spending money on things we don't need or use, and identifying these areas can help you save more. The key to financial freedom is living below your means. Resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle every time your income increases. Instead, use the extra money to invest and grow your passive income streams. Credit cards can be a useful tool if managed properly. Use them for essential purchases and pay off the balance in full every month to avoid high interest charges. One of the golden rules of building passive income is diversification. Don't rely on just one source of income. Spread your investments and income streams across various asset classes and industries. This reduces risk and ensures that you have a steady flow of passive income, even if one source dries up. Let's break down the steps you need to take to start building passive income streams and achieving financial freedom. Before diving into any passive income strategy, you need to know your why. Define your financial goals. Do you want to retire early, pay off debt, travel the world? Your goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Understand your current financial situation by calculating your total monthly expenses. This will give you a clear target for how much passive income you need to generate. Begin by choosing one or two passive income streams that resonate with your interests and skills. Focus on growing these streams first before diversifying into other opportunities. If you have extra cash, start investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. The key is to reinvest your earnings to grow your passive income over time. It's important to regularly track your income, expenses, and investments. By keeping an eye on your financial situation, you'll be able to make adjustments and stay on course to achieve financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about earning more money. It's also about adopting the right mindset. This means being disciplined, patient, and persistent. Building passive income streams takes time, but with consistent effort, you'll see results. You also need to develop a long-term view of your finances. Passive income strategies often take months or years to yield significant results, but the payoff is worth the wait. Stay committed to your goals, and remember that financial freedom is a journey, not an overnight achievement. To wrap up, financial freedom is within your reach. The key is to build passive income streams that exceed your expenses, diversify those income sources, and keep your expenses in check. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. Start today by setting clear financial goals, choosing the right passive income streams, and remaining disciplined in your financial habits. Financial freedom isn't a pipe dream. It's a reality for those who take the time to build it. That's it for today's video. If you found value in this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching.